Hello, I'd like to introduce you to the locking mechanism on the ER register for the MX range of flow meters. We've designed this so that the register doesn't undo or can't be tampered with or removed easily. So there's a couple of tools that are required to be able to remove and inspect this mechanism, which is a pair of circlip pliers, a 5mm Allen key and a 3mm Allen key. And we start by removing the front face of the register, and that's by removing the 4 screws. Now this allows you to lift off the register front, and they all have a plug, so we just remove the green plug and we put the register face somewhere out of the way so it doesn't get damaged. Now in the back here you'll see there is 4 cap head screws that hold the actual back shell to the cam part. So what we'll do is one of the screws, and it'll be this one here, is a longer screw than the other 3. Now we just need to take that halfway out, and that allows us to 90-degree turn that register in an anti-clockwise direction and remove the register from the flow meter. Now all your details for your flow meter, your serial numbers, K-factors will be engraved in this section here. Now this little groove in the cam is what that screw actually goes down and locks into. So it's very important, if you do remove this cam, that the circlip that holds or retains the cam is actually clear of that groove. Very important. We can use our circlip pliers to remove that cam, but when you put it back in, make sure that the circlip that retains it is clear of that groove. And when you have a look, that is the actual component that goes into it. So to reinsert it, we just put our register in. It'll only fit in one position. It's like a bayonet fitting. We rotate it around 90 degrees till it locks into its fixed position. And then we use our 5mm Allen key. We just tighten that Allen key back down, like so. And that stops it from undoing. Then we can reassemble the front, plug it back in and put our front back on. Now in the position, we have it in a horizontal position. If we need to mount the flow meter in a vertical position, which is that way with the flow coming in that directions, that means that our register display is in the incorrect position. What we may need to do is to remove the base from the 4 screws. Be very conscious of where the longer screw is, which is this one here. That will go from that position to that position. We can turn the register base around and put the longer screw back in the position that it needs to be, and then we can just reassemble our register and that'll be in the correct position. Hopefully that explains it clear enough for you.